Fixed App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how many car problems go unnoticed until it's too late. The Fixed App aims to change that in 2025 by turning your smartphone into a smart car diagnostic tool. Fixed works with a small Bluetooth sensor that plugs into your vehicle's ODI port. Once connected, the app reads error codes, explains what they mean in plain language, and estimates repair costs. The surprising truth is that many dashboard warning lights are minor issues that don't require immediate panic. Using Fixed is simple. Plug in the sensor, open the app, and drive as usual. When an issue appears, Fixed sends a notification with details about severity and urgency. This helps drivers avoid unnecessary repairs and overcharging. One major pro is clarity. Fixed translates technical codes into understandable advice. It's especially useful for people who don't know much about cars. Maintenance reminders and vehicle health tracking add extra value. However, most people get this wrong. Fixed is not a replacement for a mechanic. It diagnoses symptoms, not complex mechanical failures. A premium subscription, which unlocks deeper insights, may feel unnecessary for casual drivers. In conclusion, Fixed is ideal for everyday drivers who want transparency and peace of mind. If you want to understand your car better and avoid surprise repair bills, Fixed is a smart companion in 2025.